In this video, we'll show you how to add funds to your Modulr eMoney account. Your Modulr eMoney account must be funded before paying your first supplier in Sage 50 accounts. Funds can be added within the Modulr portal or by sending a one-off or regular payment from your banking provider. Adding funds in Modulr. To add funds to your Modulr eMoney account, log in to the Modulr portal using your Sage account details, and from the navigation bar, select Accounts. Your Modulr eMoney account details will be shown for each Sage company, including the current balance. To fund your Modulr eMoney account, click on the relevant Sage company, then click Add Funds. Enter the amount and a reference if required. Leaving this box empty will assign a default reference of Modulr Direct Pay. Next, select your bank from the drop-down and click Confirm. You'll be securely directed to your banking provider to log in and authorise the payment. Funds will generally be available in your Modulr eMoney account within 90 seconds. Adding funds from your banking provider. To add funds to your Modulr eMoney account from your banking provider, you'll need the following information: account name, sort code, and account number. First, log into the Modulr portal and select Accounts from the navigation bar. Make a note of the company name in the account column and the sort code and account number in the identifier column. Now, log into your banking provider to create either a one-off or regular payment. To ensure funds are received into the correct Modulr account, when creating the payment, enter the account name, sort code, and account number shown in the Modulr portal. Funds will generally be available in your Modulr account within 90 seconds. You've now learned how to add funds to your Modulr eMoney account.